all we need to do now is take it, bam. First thing you should add is, if you use Autotune, this is going to be the only purchasable one you could use. Use your Autotune by Antares. Like, amazing. Amazing Autotune, literally. You can't go wrong buying that Autotune. But if you don't have bread, you can still purchase some Autotune. You can, or you can get some Autotune for free. So here's your freebie right here. I have a lot of plugins, so by you, it's gonna go a little slower for what I've loaded up. But all right, it's in my M Audio Pitch. M Auto Pitch is a free plugin for Autotune. Works really great. You choose your keys down here, and the best part about this is I use it mostly for form and shifts. Now, I'll do a tutorial about form and shifts in the future, but it's just this button right here. It does wonders. I use Antares Autotune most of the time, but I throw this on there, and oh my god, the form and shift power of this utensil right here is like pretty far out there. It's pretty cool. So you add this right as your top layer. This is gonna control everything. Now I'm gonna give you guys another freebie right here. If you guys don't have a way to tell what key it is, and you guys aren't tuned to tell what key it is, all you need to do for a beat and to tell what key the beat's in is take it right here to Virtual DJ. Download Virtual DJ. It's literally free, right? You get it on there, and then you just put your beat in here. It'll tell you the exact tempo, and it'll tell you the exact tone it is in. So now what you do with that key is you take that key, and you go to your Camelot wheel. I have just a picture of a Camelot wheel saved, right? If you're unsure about what key it is, this is 08A or an A minor, right? You want to plug this in and figure out what it goes to in your M Auto Pitch or your Antares. It doesn't make sense, you know? There is no A minor. What am I gonna do? I want to do a major chord, which you should. You should do mostly major chords. What you do is you go, it's 08A, right? And it's a 99 beat for that. So 99 tempo, 08A. So I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, right? A minor, that's perfect. So it's a C major and A B, right? So now that I know that's a C major 99, bam, get rid of that. Go to my auto pitch, any other auto buses that I have Autotune on, and I'll click C, right? Put it in tone C, then you're good. Now it's in tone C. Now it's gonna put everything to match the tone of the beat. So every beat has a main tone, right? If it's in C, if it's in G, if it's in A, if it's in a minor chord, but every chord and every tone is relative to another tone, right? Every minor is relative to a major. So use your chromatic keys, use your Camelot wheel, use everything you need, but make sure you match the tone of the beat, or else it's gonna sound off. A lot of people don't do that, and they should. It makes it sound a lot cleaner, a lot easier, a lot less work. So once you got that, got your Autotune on, right? Yeah, guys, this is my audio with the phantom power on. Da 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 da. Yes, sir. All right, that's pretty dope. We got that, right? All right, so now what we do is we take another step. We go to slot 2, bam, bam. Go to your either your delay or your reverb. That should be another one. Actually,